Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and software so the sketch run works first time. Update firmware, open Silhouette Studio, and select Cameo 4. Attach the sketch pen adapter and insert the pen until it clicks. This locks alignment. Once done, load your material with registration marks visible and set the correct media size and type in software. Make sure the blade carriage is clear. Then calibrate pen offset in the send panel. This prevents double lines and ensures accurate placement on the page. Now switch to design and fine-tune for pen plotting. Convert filled shapes to single-line paths so the pen follows clean strokes. Reduce stroke width to match the pen tip. In the send panel, set the active tool to sketch pen and disable knife or double cut functions. Adjust speed to the lower end, between 1 and 4, and lower force to protect nibs. Different pens need different pressure. Once set, run a small preview or test cut to confirm alignment and line darkness before full plotting. You're ready to run the sketch job, but stay attentive. Start the cut and watch the first 30 seconds to catch misfeeds or registration drift. Pause if lines look doubled. When done, unload media carefully to avoid smudging, then cap or clean pens to preserve tips. If you experience skipping, ghosting, or offset lines, recalibrate the pen carriage and perform a new test plot. This usually fixes alignment. If problems persist, swap the pen adapter and repeat the test. Often the adapter seating is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.